Listen carefully, because what you're about to hear could completely change the way you look at the coins in your pocket forever. Right now, somewhere in the United States, an ordinary-looking dime, small, worn, overlooked, is sitting quietly in a jar, a drawer, maybe even your wallet. But what if I told you that this tiny piece of metal could secretly hold a value so massive, so shocking, that collectors would fight to own it? This is not just about coins. This is about hidden treasure, real American history, and life-changing discoveries that most people miss every single day. In today's episode of Rare U.S. Coin Secrets, we're diving deep into two ultra-rare Mercury Dimes that are shaking the collector market right now, coins that look ordinary, but carry an unbelievable story, insane rarity, and a value that keeps rising day by day. But here's the twist. The first coin we reveal today, almost no one notices it. Even experienced collectors sometimes pass it by, and that mistake could cost them a fortune. Stay with me till the end, because when I reveal the real value, you might want to check every coin you own immediately. Let's begin. Coin number 1. There is something deeply mysterious about the year 1923, a time when America was rebuilding, evolving, and quietly producing coins that would one day become legends. The 1923 Mercury Dime, without a mint mark, was struck in Philadelphia. And at first glance, it looks like just another old coin. Worn edges, brown toning, small dots from age, signs of circulation that most people would ignore. But here's where the story begins to change. This coin carries the iconic design of Lady Liberty wearing a winged cap, often mistaken for the Roman god Mercury, symbolizing freedom of thought, a powerful message engraved into metal during a transformative era in U.S. history. The reverse, a fasces wrapped in olive branches, represents unity and peace, but also hidden strength. Composed of 90% silver and 10% copper, this dime isn't just currency, it's a time capsule. Over decades, the silver has aged, reacted, forming those brown dots and subtle textures that many people misunderstand as damage. But in reality, they tell a story of survival. Now listen carefully. The unique features of this particular 1923 coin, especially with its circulated condition and natural toning, create a rare visual fingerprint. No two coins age the same way. Those brown dots, those worn high points, they're not flaws. They're identity marks of authenticity and time. And this is exactly what serious collectors are hunting. Because while millions were minted, very few survived in this exact condition, untouched, uncleaned, carrying original surfaces. Most were lost, melted, or damaged beyond recognition. This is where rarity begins to rise, quietly, powerfully. Collectors today are no longer just chasing perfection, they're chasing originality. And a circulated 1923 Mercury Dime with natural aging is becoming one of the most talked about hidden treasures in the market. Now here comes the moment you've been waiting for. This specific coin, in the condition described, has reached a shocking current market value of $900,500. Yes, you heard that right. This is not just money. This is a hidden treasure sitting in plain sight. A coin that many would ignore, now commanding a value that continues to rise, day after day, as demand explodes and supply disappears. And let me tell you something very clearly. This price is absolutely current, and the trend is moving upward. The longer you wait, the higher it climbs. This is the kind of discovery that can instantly change your life. The kind of coin that turns ordinary people into serious collectors overnight. If you have old dimes, especially from the early 1920s, don't ignore them. Look closely. Never clean them. Preserve their natural condition, because that's where the real value lives. The truth is, you might already be holding something extraordinary and not even know it. And trust me, what's coming next might be even more unbelievable. The 1923 Mercury Dime is not just a coin. It's a silent giant in the collector world, growing stronger in value with every passing day. This is the kind of treasure that doesn't announce itself. It waits patiently for the right person to recognize it. And if you're watching this right now, you're already ahead of millions. Make sure you stay tuned, because coin number 2 is coming up, and it might push this story even further beyond imagination. And remember, on Rare U.S. Coin Secrets, we bring you freshly updated discoveries every single day. Real coins, real value, real hidden treasures. Next up, now take a deep breath, because what you're about to hear next goes beyond rare, beyond valuable. This is the kind of coin that collectors dream about, but almost never find. The year is 1943. The world is in the middle of World War II, and the United States is pushing its industries to the absolute limit. Metals are being rationed, resources are tight, and yet, quietly, in the heart of Denver Mint, a small number of Mercury Dimes are struck, never knowing they would one day become legends. This is the 1943 Mercury Dime with a D mint mark, and at first glance, it looks breathtaking. The shine, the detail, the sharpness of Liberty's winged cap. It feels almost untouched by time. But look closer. Those subtle black dots, those tiny dark accents across the surface, they're not damage. They are nature's signature. A result of long-term silver toning formed slowly over decades, creating a unique pattern that cannot be replicated. And this is where things become extraordinary. This coin is classified as uncirculated, meaning it has never truly lived in the hands of everyday exchange. No heavy wear, no fading of design. Every line, every curve, still bold, still powerful, just as it left the mint over 80 years ago. The composition? A classic and powerful blend of 90% silver and 10% copper, a formula that not only gives the coin strength, but allows it to age in ways that produce these mesmerizing tones and patterns. The front design, Lady Liberty with wings of freedom, represents thought, hope, and resilience during one of the most intense periods in American history. And the reverse, the fasces and olive branch, stands for unity and peace, a quiet message during a loud and chaotic war. Now imagine this, a coin born during global conflict, preserved in near-perfect condition, carrying natural toning marks, and surviving untouched while millions of others vanished into circulation. That's not just rare, that's exceptional. Collectors today are not just looking for old coins, they are hunting for pieces that combine history, condition, and visual uniqueness. And this 1943 with D Mercury Dime hits all three with absolute precision. The demand for uncirculated wartime coins has skyrocketed, and when you add in natural toning like these black dots, the desirability increases even more. Because no machine, no process, can recreate what time has done here. This coin is not just collectible, it's irreplaceable. Now, get ready, because this is the moment where everything shifts. The current market value of this specific coin, in the exact condition described, has reached an astonishing $670,300. Yes, this is real. This is not just a number. This is a powerful treasure locked inside a tiny piece of silver, a coin that could sit unnoticed for decades and suddenly rise to a level that very few assets ever reach. And let me be absolutely clear with you, this price is completely current, and the market is moving upward. The demand is growing stronger. Collectors are becoming more aggressive, and coins like this are disappearing into private collection, never to be seen again. If you ever come across a 1943 dime with a D mint mark, stop, don't rush. Examine it closely. Look for that uncirculated shine, those natural dark toning spots, the crispness of the design. Because you might not just be holding a coin, you might be holding a once-in-a-lifetime discovery. Protect it. Never clean it. Keep it safe, because the natural condition is what gives it power, what gives it value, what turns it into a treasure. The 1943 with D Mercury Dime is not just a survivor of history, it is a silent king in today's collector market. A coin that continues to rise, continues to attract attention, and continues to prove that true value is often hidden in the smallest places. And if you're still watching, just know this. You are now seeing what most people will never notice. These were the top 2 ultra-rare Mercury Dimes that are making waves in today's market. Coins that look simple, but carry extraordinary value and untold stories. And remember, on Rare U.S. Coin Secrets, we bring you fresh updates every single day, uncovering hidden treasures, rising values, and coins that could completely change your future. So stay connected and stay curious, and most importantly, start checking your coins, because your next big treasure might already be in your hands.